Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'll be teaching you all how to make a auth dart where we place the previous auth code of the sign in Google and the sign out Google methods will be placed inside another dart and it will be accessed from the dart we made earlier. So let's get started. First thing, let's go to lib and go to new and select dart file and we'll call this auth our auth. And next thing, here inside it we'll have all the dependencies in here placed there. We'll copy this from here and we'll paste this here. And next thing, we'll make a future method. We'll say future boolean future of type boolean, and we'll call this sign out. Next thing, we'll make this an async method, and inside it we'll provide the code we place inside the sign out method. So we'll go here and we'll copy this from here. We'll copy this from here and we'll paste it here. And we don't need the set state now, so we'll return true for this, like this, and we'll save this. And next thing, we'll have another future bool method, future bool, and we'll call this sign in with Google, and we'll make this async as well. And next thing, let's go inside our previous dart and we'll copy this code from here. We'll copy this code from here and paste it here. And next thing, we remove the set states from these codes and we'll say if user not equals to null and user dot is anonymous equals to false, we'll say return true, and next thing else is we return false, like this. Next thing, we'll make another future method. We'll make this of type null, we'll call this ensure logged in, and this will also be a async method, and inside it we'll say user equals to await auth dot current user, like this. Like this. And next thing, we'll make a assert, and inside it we'll say user not equals to null. And we will have another assert that says user dot is anonymous equals false. And next thing, we will have print. Inside the print we say we are logged in to Firebase, like this. Okay. Next thing is we need to go to the previous Dart we built in the previous lesson, and here we'll remove the void sign in anon method because we don't need it right now, and we'll remove it from the raise button also. And next thing, we'll go inside the sign in with Google async method, and we remove all this code, and we'll have a if await now. The next thing, we'll have another import. We'll import our auth dot and say as fb auth, like this, and we'll save this. And next thing, we'll go to await and have fb auth fb auth dot Google sign in with Google equals true. And if that's true, we'll have the set state, and the status will be equals to sign in. And if it's the other case, we have else. In the set state we'll say status equals to could not sign in, like this. Next thing, we'll make the sign out method with the above dot. We'll have an if that says await fp auth dot sign out equal true. And if that's the case, we'll say set state, and the status will be equal to sign out, like this. And we'll have else also. In the else, we'll have another set state that says status equals to sign in, like this. Next thing, inside the init state, we'll have our sign in with Google method placed like this. Alrighty, now it's time to run this and check the output. We'll call run auth version 2 dot and let's wait till this builds up. Now what you see here is our application we built so far. We have signed out and we need to sign in. We'll click on sign in with Google, and now it shows that you signed in. We'll sign out now and it shows that you signed out. Let's press on sign in with Google again, and this time it shows sign in like that. And the next thing we can sign out. So what I wanted to show you in this video was to use external widget to implement a Firebase authentication using an external Dart file with the use of future methods that will bring out our code into the previous Dart file. So alright, now today's lesson is over. I'll continue with Firebase in the next video, and I'll teach you how to make a Firebase storage code in the next video. We'll be saving files in the next video through Firebase storage, and I'll come back to you tomorrow with that lesson. So till then, goodbye guys, and please take care.